Hi teacher, in today's video I'm going to explain what behaviorism is, why it became so important in psychological research, and how it shaped modern analysis on learning and behavior. First, what is behaviorism? Behaviorism is a physiological approach that is focuses on observable behavior rather than internal mental processes. In other words, behaviorists believe that to study humans scientifically, we should look at only what we can see, measure, and quantify. The central idea is simple. Behavior is learned through interaction with the environment. Now, behavior is a response to a stimuli. Behaviorism proposes that every action is influenced by stimulus. For example, hearing a loud sound might cause someone to jump. This relationship is known as the stimulus-response model, and it's a foundation for behaviorist research. Now, learning occurs through conditioning. Behaviorists urge that humans and animals learn through two main processes: classical conditioning and operant conditioning. In classical conditioning, learning by association, a famous example is Pavlov's dogs, which learning to associate a bell with food. In operant conditioning, learning through consequences. B.F. Skinner showed that behaviors can increase if followed by rewards or decrease if followed by punishment. Now, the mind is not the focus. Behaviorism considers that thoughts and emotions to be less reliable for scientific study because they can be directly observed. Instead, behaviorists prioritize measurable data. Why behaviorism matter in analysis research? Behaviorism was one of the first theories to introduce rigorous experimental methods in psychology. Its emphasis on observable data helped researchers design controlled experiments and measurable variables. This approach remains essential today in education and classroom management, behavioral therapy, animal training, human-computer interaction, and any research that involves predicting or modifying behavior. Now, in criticism and evolution, although behaviorism contributed greatly to scientific methods, it has been criticized for ignoring internal mental processes, and later approaches such as cognitive physiology and expanded the field by studying how we think, remember, and solve problems. Still, behaviorism remains a key part of physiological analysis because it provides clear, testable models of how learning occurs. So, to sum up, behaviorism is a research approach that explains behavior through observable actions, environmental stimuli, and conditioning. Its scientific focus on measurable data helped build the foundations of modern physiological research. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.